case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of New Mexico recently grappled with a case that hovered around the line between the rights of citizens and the prerogatives of law enforcement, State v. Attaway, a 1994 case that centered on the controversial knock and announce rule. The rule guided law enforcement officers to declare their presence and objective prior to invading a private residence to carry out a search warrant or make an apprehension. This unique case burst onto the scene when the SWAT team descended upon the house of Lionel Attaway for execution of arrest and search warrants. Officer Wayne Atchley, attempting to adhere to the letter of the law, rapped on the inner door whilst announcing his authority and intent. However, the silence that greeted him gave the officers a probable cause to forcibly penetrate the premises and seize Attaway, nabbing a hoard of weapons and drugs in the process. The case was elevated to the High Court, with Attaway's assertion that the police's unannounced entry violated his Fourth Amendment rights. The lower courts landed in favor of the police force, pointing towards exigent circumstances due to Attaway's alleged involvement in narcotics trafficking, possession of firearms, and his predilection for adorning a bulletproof vest. Interestingly, the Supreme Court concurred with the decisions of the lower courts. The presiding justices ruled that the circumventing of the knock and announce rule was justified in the light of Attaway's suspected illicit activities and the potential threat he represented, thus allowing the convictions to stand. This case underscored the relentless legal duality between individual liberties and societal safety, highlighting the precarious balance that justice must strike to remain fair and effective.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.